welcome to my bedroom. Come on in, because we've got a whole collection of little adventures all jam-packed in one video. Not only do we got a hint of a get ready with me, we got a little bit of me wearing a hairstyle I have hated my entire life, wearing it for the first time out in public. So tell me what you guys think about this hair. Do we love it? Do we hate it? Should I try to do it again? Maybe I'll get used to it. Do you guys think I look better with the middle part? Or this part? This is my natural go-to. We've also got me getting my makeup done for the first time by a makeup artist going out to an event. Other than one time I had my good friend Priscilla Ono do my makeup for an award thing, and that's the only time I've had another makeup artist do my makeup going to something. We've also got a major epic unboxing of the heaviest Sephora gift bag. It literally weighs 6 pounds! Then we've got me touring Sephoria, which is Sephora's first ever beauty event. I was at the first BeautyCon, Gen Beauty. Now I'm honored to be at the first Sephoria. I'm gonna tell you guys all about it. And without further ado, I've got so much to show you, so let's get started. So first up, before we finish the get ready with me, I'm gonna show you the first day I went to Sephoria. I hosted the green carpet at Sephoria. I got to interview a bunch of my beauty friends. Billie Eilish, who was so sweet. And at this blue haired beauty Billie that just showed up, and she's also about to go on tour. And her skin looks amazingly unreal. What do you have on? Do it. Thank you so much. You are awesome. You literally smell so good. And let me tell you, they had a wall inside the giant La Mer jar that was $1 million worth of La Mer. Each one of those jars is worth $2,000, you guys. So this was day 2. I didn't get to see very much of the actual Sephoria event because I was hosting the carpet the whole time. So we went back on Sunday to see what it was like inside. And I'm here with Juan, who's known as MUA on Instagram. He's gonna be doing my makeup for the very first time, and I'm so excited! I told him he can do whatever he wants. So should we leave it a surprise, or do you want to say? No, let's leave it a surprise. Okay, we'll leave it a surprise. Leave it a surprise. Are we ready to see it?
Yes!
Oh my gosh, I love it! This is so good. Look at these lashes. Did you put 2 sets on?
Yeah, there's that.
What is this lip color?
It's Flesh Pot.
That's one of my favorites.
With the Fenty Beauty.
Ooh.
Diamond Milk.
Ooh, I love the smell of hers. What'd you use for lip liner?
Makeup Forever. 600.
And I love my hair, Chris.
I love your hair.
Oh my gosh.
You look like a rock star.
I love this.
Some crazy little situation here.
Oh my gosh, I didn't see that. I love it. Gosh, I didn't even feel you pushing that many pins in my head.
Do you love your glam, Kandee?
I love this so much. Oh my gosh, Juan, you are so good.
Thank you, honey. You look beautiful.
I literally cannot handle how good this makeup is. Like, look at how good. Man, everybody go follow him. MUA on Instagram.
Thank you, beautiful.
You made me look beautiful. I didn't look like this when I showed up here. And Chris, look at this hair. Look at the bobby pinning that Chris did. And he like made my hair shrunken. Chris, where are you? You just look at what you did to my hair.
So good.
Okay, so we're about to head to the last night of the Sephoria event, and we're gonna show you guys what it's like, but how would you guys like describe what it is?
I think it's like a sick, like, art exhibit.
For me, it feels like it's literally like a playground for makeup lovers.
Yes.
Like, that's what it is.
And like each booth, it was like a photo op like experience at each of the booths. Like glitter, a Wonderland glitter explosion. Skincare, hair care. It was like a Sephora store like exploded into like amazing little booths. So we'll take you guys with us. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
They look fabulous. They made me look fabulous.
Love you.
Now we're gonna head out. See you guys. Okay, you guys, so we just got here. This is what the entrance looks like. And then this is the garden area. That's all the garden area. Tilbury. Oh my god, I wanna like lick it. Oh, it's so good. So this is where they do all the services, so you can book appointments to get things done. Not only did they have every foundation in every shade in one foundation bar, they had activations at each booth. You could make your own custom lipstick at Bite. I made my own lipstick with my photo on it at the Sephora booth. My customizing dreams are all coming true. Okay, so that one.
Beautiful.
Can I pick this one? Is it from tonight?
I love it.
Me on the cap. What? I got my name engraved on a YSL cap of my choice at the YSL booth. This is so cool. From that side. Oh my gosh!
It's done.
Can I get out of there? Look at
Wow.
Nice.
So major.
Gosh, thank you so much, you guys. I love you too. I was losing my mind. Each booth had something so amazing and fun to do. It was so incredibly cool. You get to make your own lipstick. These are the palettes. Have about 150 everywhere. No way. That's really yummy. Oh, but I'm a sucker for vanilla. Okay, now it's time for the epic unbagging of the 6-pound Super Sephora swag bag. I have been waiting to see what is in here. You guys, they put a Natasha Denona palette in here. Do you know how expensive these are? Her palettes are amazing. The Lila palette, what is this? A full-size Sephora slanted buffing brush. Oh, I love this. The Kat Von D Tattoo Dagger Liner in Trooper. I use this every day. A Fenty lip color, a Dior Addict Maximizer. I've been wanting to try this. Oh my goodness. There's a Bike Agave lip mask, cheeky stamp. What is a cheeky stamp? Oh, it's a little heart. Oh, and you must stamp this in here, and then you stamp it and blend it on your cheek. That's adorable. Whoa. That is very cute. You're not dropping it everywhere. A full-size Way hair texturizing spray. A Charlotte Tilbury. You guys, this is the mother load of swag bags. Look at this Charlotte Tilbury palette. They do not mess around. A full-size clean Aqua Neroli perfume. Some Briogeo Scalp Revival exfoliating shampoo. Okay, this is crazy. I just bought this a little while ago. The Atelier Cologne in Orange Sanguine. Well, now I have more. It's like a travel size. Now I got one for my purse. Oh! A Pat McGrath lipstick. Look at her packaging, you guys. What is this color? Dun, 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 dun. Oh, look at the lips, you guys. I just want Pat McGrath things just to cover how beautiful her packaging is. I cannot believe they put this in the gift bag. What else is in here? Peace Out Puffy Eye 6 Microcellular Under Eye Depuffing Mask. The Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This Laneige stuff is so expensive, you guys. Some Unseen Sunscreen from Supergoop. No way, this was not in here too. Did somebody drop this in my bag, or was this in the gift bag? This is crazy. The Makeup Forever, all their brand new Starlit powders and lit glitters. You guys, a set of velour lashes and a full-size Bad Gal Benefit mascara. You guys, this is crazy. There's a huge pile of like the highest end things. You are kidding me. I don't even know how much this gift bag was worth, but this is a lot of, these are high-end things. This is amazing. So I guess that's the end of our adventuring, you guys. Let me know in the comments, one, how do we feel about this center part here? Should I bring it back? Do we hate it? Do we love it? I don't know. Should we do this again? Make sure you guys follow me everywhere. As always, huge hugs from my house to yours. Remember that you are more beautiful than you know. You're more talented than you think. And you're more loved and awesome and have the most amazing things ahead of you in your future that you cannot see. Even if they're right past some hard times that you might be going through, keep pushing forward because I know you have great things ahead of you. Feel all the love I'm sending to you guys. I hope you have an awesome day and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.